Indaba nalento ukuthi is a Nigerian international first choice Skele, yabona. Isishanga Skele. Nigeria they've got superior team. So sometimes yamcover leyo nto leyo. But this guy when I watch him in observing, unama giveaway amaningi kakhulu. Especially ku height le ngeke phela hayi ukuthi le bhola elamba pha abamkori phansi phela nobody sometimes. They score him here sometimes. Sometimes I'll trap, I'll bambe, I'll drop nobody. It does this. You understand? Silly mistake like high school mistakes. So ukuphendula ukhuluma ngani Chiefs or Pirates?
Kaizer Chiefs, that's the team he's linked with.
Unfortunately, Chiefs need I know who they can't bring Kune back.
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
I know. Can they get a talented goalkeeper? A proper talent who can play in your foot? You understand? A good stopper with good reflexes also can play with his feet. Or talented, a star goalkeeper. I just a goalkeeper can handle it. Can they get about the research? I don't think now go pay premiership in somebody. Yes, Mino Cross, I love him. Low, I think SuperSport loan him. Wabuyela go SuperSport. Bebam, I think we go Sundowns.
Yeah, the Sundowns
and then he went back.
SuperSport.
Yeah, I beg him he can go with Chiefs. Any problem about goalkeeper, that's all. But Pendula and goalkeeper, I don't think he's a good goalkeeper for Chiefs. After Axel Plander Namklai, I've been watching nobody, observing him. For me, yes, I know technical team might say it. I think somebody's selling this guy. Because nguleko nale bhola goal number 2. Look, uthole. Noma ufix ibhola noma uthi alishaya. Angeke ufix ibhola lespin elweni la. Lela bhola beyangamelanga lifix. Is supposed to handle that ball. Mude ukudlula wonke umuntu nobani lapha epani. I'm sure noma ngajumpanga ipalo elibambu nabani. So for me, ushawe basic also kususa amehlo ebholweni. So going at Chiefs. But the crisis ongibuza le mana mai. Can they get a proper talented goalkeeper? They can, man, with the proper research, if they can get the proper scouts.
The all-new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.